Hello guys, in this video we will learn about how to pass data from one sibling component to another sibling component. So sibling components are basically those components which are having no parent-child relationship. So in case of parent-child we can use input and output properties for passing data, but in case of sibling components we will be using behavior subject. So that is an observable here. One sibling component is customer one component and another one is customer two component. So we will create behavior subject, and for this I have created one service, event service. So this service is basically using behavior subject. Here we can see here behavior subject. So first we need to import behavior subject and observable from RxJS. So RxJS is basically reactive extensions library, and we have created a service and injected using provided in root. So this is a way of injecting service into the root. And in this event service I have created two methods. Event for emission I have created one method emit, and another one is on. So in emit method I am doing this dot subject underscore subject is a object of behavior subject. So I have created one instance and I am doing next event. So this dot subject dot next, and here I am passing data. So and this on method is doing basically subscribing. So this is for subscribing the things and this is for emitting the things. So if I want to emit or if I want to pass data from one component customer one component to the customer two component, so in customer one component I will be calling this emit method, and in customer 2 I will be calling on method for subscribing. So this is for emitting or telling the other components that I have done some changes, and on method is for getting those changes or subscribing those changes. So basically customer 1 is a one sibling component. Here I have imported event service in first line, you can see, and injected this into constructor, and here this is the send method. So I have created this function basically for emitting. So if I want to pass this data, this is event from customer one, or maybe some complex JSON object, some string or any kind of data if I want to pass from customer one component, and this is the type. So this data is of type string type. Emit is the method which we have created in event service here. So I am emitting data from, or I am passing data from customer one component to the customer two component. So in customer one component I have created a send method, and inside this send method I am making use of this event service instance, this dot event service dot event emit method, and passing this data. This is event from customer one, and on HTML file of this customer one component we are having a one button click event is there. So I have created the send method here. So I am calling this send function from this button send data. So once I click on this button, this is going to emit this data from customer 1 to the customer 2. How we will subscribe this customer 1 component data on customer 2? So in the same way we need to import event service from the absolute path or whatever is the path of the service, and this is the event service which we have injected, and this event service dot on method dot subscribe, this code needs to be written into the ng on init method. So we are registering this event service on method inside ng on init of customer 2 component, and this customer 1 event data is a basically variable of this customer 2 component, and we can print this customer 1 event data variable on our customer 2 HTML file like this. So let us see this into the code. As I have already mentioned into the PPT, I have created one service event.service.ts. So we need to inject or we need to create basically two methods, emit and on. Here this is the way of creating the service provided in the basically kind of injection into the root module, and we have created class event service. The thing need to remember here is behavior subject. So I am using behavior subject for passing data from one component to the another component, which are siblings basically. So this behavior subject can be used pass data across all the component, which might be siblings, parent to child, child to parent, doesn't matter. So we can pass any kind of data or between components. So I have behavior subject object, this underscore subject, and this method event or emit method is doing next method calling and passing this data. So and this one is the on method. Here we are returning this observable. Here we are notifying. Here we are subscribing or we are returning that data object. So if I want to pass data from one customer component, I will use this emit method in customer 1, and if I need to use that data into customer 2 component, I will use on method. So if I go to customer 1 component, first I will see I have created one button send. So on this click of send data button, our send method will be called, and this will transfer this is event from customer 1 string data from this customer 1 component to the customer 2. So we have imported this event service from this path, injected into constructor, and this event service dot emit method we are calling, which we have created into event service, and we're passing this data basically. So here we have defined the type of this data as well, like this is of string type. We can give it a class type, we can give it a JSON type, object type. So we can also configure the type of the data which we are passing. So we can pass also a complex JSON object. Now we go to the customer 2 component. Here we are receiving this data, basically this data. This is event from customer 1. So this event service we need to import it here, then again inject it for using this dot event service dot on method. So we are using on method for subscribing the data which we are passing from customer 1 component, and customer 1 event data is a variable internal to this customer 2 component, or basically we can use on our HTML file. So we are passing that data from customer 1 component to this customer 2 component, and we will be printing this customer 1 event data on our customer 2 HTML file like this. So we are using interpolation here, and we have passed from customer 1 to customer 2. So we need to register this event here inside ng-on-init method. So how we will create this kind of flow means here we can pass data from one sibling component to another component. We can create one service, we can create instance of behavior subject and define the type of any. It takes some initial value, so we need to set some initial value like a string, object, whichever we want to pass it, and we need to create two methods, emit and on methods. So T is the type, it is taking type dynamically, so we can pass any kind of data, string, object, class. So data, this is a T of type. This dot subject dot next is a basically behavior subject method which is passing this data to the other component where we can subscribe as an observable. So this on method is useful for basically returning this subject, and we can subscribe this data. So this emit is basically notifying, and this is basically subscribing the past data from one component to another component. And second step we are doing on, we have created one button in customer 1 component. This button send data, we are clicking this send function which is in our customer 1 dot component dot ts file. This is emitting this this is event from customer 1 data. It is of string type. We have imported this event service, injected into constructor, and if I go to customer 2, here we have registered this event inside ng-on-init. So when we want to subscribe this emitted data or next data from one component into different components, which might be sibling or parent child as well. Then we need to register this uh, basically on method inside ng on init this way. This dot event service dot on, and this is the type of data which we are getting. This is the subscribe method. We are subscribing that data which is emitted in the form of observables, and this is the return data, and this we can set into our variable. This is a customer one event data variable we are setting with the data, and on customer2.component.html we are printing. So we can see this into our browser as well. So this is the structure which is created. We are having customer one component, one button, send data button. So on click of send data button, we will be passing data to the customer two component and event data from customer one component. So here we will be getting data on the click of this send data button. So if I click on this button, I can see this is event from customer one. So we have passed data. This is event from customer one, which is a string from customer one component to the customer two component. So basically these are the siblings component. This is the way we can pass our data from one component to another component, which might be siblings or parent child. So by using this behavior subject observable, so we can create service and we can register that on method inside into multiple components as well. So if I come here, I can see this on method. So I am reading this data only into customer 2. We can read this emitted data from customer 1. So this data into different components as well. So for this we need to register like this into different components, and we can read into different components as well. So if we need to pass data from customer 2 to customer 1, then we need to do it vice versa, like we will be emitting from here and we will be registering this on event into customer 1. So this is the way. So there will be two methods, emit method or notify method, and there will be on method. So we can use emit method for passing data from one component, on method for reading or subscribing that data. So this is the way we communicate across the sibling components in Angular. So thank you guys. Thanks for watching. So that's it. That's all.